right, Connor?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Connor, I got the one on the top.
No, I got it.
No, I got it.
No, I got that one.
To play hide and seek.
Connor, I called
this
it.
one.
You up there first. Hide and seek, but he needs to be it.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to.
Come on, you never play anything.
Who wants to
I'm
be
just gonna
it?
go watch TV or something.
Who wants to be it?
I'll be it.
Connor's in. Okay, count to 10. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you are.
Man, I gotta take a shower. God, I haven't taken a shower in 5 days.
Oh my gosh.
Look, you're not really playing this game, are you?
Yeah, I am.
This is so stupid.
No,
Why are you doing this? You said you were gonna watch that show with me.
No, I didn't.
No, you
No,
were
I didn't.
no, you were unbelievable. No.
Connor, did you even check in there? She might be in there. Just keep on checking. I'm getting a shower, man. Like, forget it. Stephanie? Taking a shower. Why are you in here? Stephanie?
Connor, have you seen Olivia anywhere?
No, I'm looking for her. Nope, not in here. Oh.
his own cousin. I'll look for her then. I will find her too. Olivia. She's probably in here. Oh my God!
Pull the thing off her head.
She's dead. Connor. Connor. Jessica. When did you get out of the home?
What? Never! This is home!
Oh, no, it isn't. Mom, what did you do?